How to remove the oven door. In this specific case we will see how to remove the door of a Samsung oven. 90% of ovens have this possibility. We note that there are stops on the hinges. Simply lift them and put them in the open position. At this point you will only have to ajar the door, and after a slight click your hinges will unhook. We always pay close attention to both the hinges and the glass. Unhooking the door will allow us to clean better both the underneath and the inside. If you have difficulty unhooking the door, you will certainly find instructions in the manual for your oven.